Tayo, honey, can you open this one? Honey, how's your food? So, honey decided to treat me in Chinese food. So, tara na mga guys, ukay-ukayin natin ang ating lamian na beef lo mein. O, diba? O. Sarap. Oh, shoot. Bulog na. Oh, diba? Oh, look at honey. Honey's eating. Oh. Ayan po. Fried rice. Ito ang kanilang mga ewan po, wis word. Ewan. Ayan ang ating. Ayan guys. Hot. Thank you, my love. See?
Low.
Alma.